Are you ready to unlock your true potential and take control of your life? In today's video, we're diving deep into a topic that affects every man out there: testosterone levels. You won't believe the impact it has on your energy, ambition, mood, and overall well-being. The best part? We're going to reveal 9 telltale signs of low testosterone that you can spot without a single blood test. So, grab a seat, and let's get started on this empowering journey together. Before we jump into the content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of men on a mission to unlock their true potential. You don't want to miss out on our upcoming videos packed with life-changing insights. We'll take a closer look at 9 intriguing signs that can help you gauge your testosterone levels without the need for blood tests, from morning wood to low energy, belly fat to mood swings, and more. These indicators will give you eye-opening insights into your hormonal balance. Let's get into it. Number 1. Unleash the warrior within, embracing ambition and drive. Don't let society fool you into believing that aggression is a negative trait. We'll debunk the myths and explain why ambition and aggression, when harnessed correctly, are essential tools for conquering obstacles and achieving massive success. Discover how your testosterone levels impact these traits and learn how to tap into your true potential. Number 2. Energize your life. Boosting vitality and combating fatigue. Energy is the fuel that drives us forward, but low testosterone can leave you feeling sluggish and drained. We'll explore the profound link between testosterone and energy levels, uncovering how chronic fatigue can be a key indicator of low testosterone. Say goodbye to exhaustion and embrace a vibrant, energetic life. Number 3. The battle of the bulge, testosterone and body fat. If you're eating right and staying active but still struggling with stubborn belly fat, it's time to dig deeper. We'll reveal how testosterone plays a powerful role in your body's ability to burn fat and transform it into energy. Witness the incredible difference between low and high testosterone levels when it comes to keeping that belly fat in check. Number 4. Mood matters. From depression to empowered confidence, your brain and testosterone are interconnected, influencing your mood and emotions. We'll uncover the impact of low testosterone on your mental well-being, explaining why depression and anxiety can be linked to hormonal imbalances. Discover the flip side of the coin as we explore how high testosterone can empower you with unshakable confidence and determination. Number 5. Sharpen your mind, testosterone and cognitive performance. Say goodbye to brain fog and memory lapses. We'll explore how testosterone affects your brain functionality, including memory and cognitive performance. Discover the fascinating connection between low testosterone and cognitive decline, while also considering other factors like overstimulation in the modern world. Learn how to keep your brain sharp and focused, regardless of the cause. Number 6. Reigniting the fire. Reignite your motivation and combat laziness. If you've been feeling unmotivated and lazy, low testosterone may be to blame. We'll uncover the role testosterone plays in regulating your motivation levels, explaining why low levels can leave you feeling like a shadow of your former self. It's time to reclaim your drive and enthusiasm for life. Number 7. Sleep soundly, testosterone and insomnia. Quality sleep is vital for testosterone production, but low testosterone can also disrupt your sleep patterns. We'll explore the complex relationship between testosterone and insomnia, discussing the potential traps of a vicious cycle. Discover how to optimize your sleep and break free from the grip of low testosterone. Number 8. Strength from within, testosterone and muscle mass. Finally, we'll delve into the impact of testosterone on muscle growth and strength. Witness the difference between low testosterone-induced weakness and the power-packed muscles of those with high testosterone levels. It's time to build the body you desire and feel strong, inside and out. Number 9. Conclusion, recap, and final call to action. As we wrap up this eye-opening journey, remember that testosterone is the key to unlocking your true potential. Don't fall for the misinformation out there. We're here to provide you with the real facts and guide you towards skyrocketing testosterone levels naturally. Don't forget to share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've resonated with any of the 9 symptoms we discussed, it's time to take action and discover your testosterone levels without the need for blood tests. Remember, this journey is about embracing your true power and reclaiming the life you deserve. Hit that subscribe button to stay connected and unlock more life-changing content. Until next time. Stay driven, stay empowered, and stay true to yourself.